Yeah. Okay. To create a stock XML file, we need to go to support.sap.com. Okay. I'm planning to create a new system. Okay. For the new system, I need to create stock XML file. I'll go to Launchpad. In that Launchpad, I need to go to maintenance planner. There will be an option called maintenance planner. This is your maintenance planner. Here you'll have plan a new system. Okay. Plan a new system. Okay. This is your maintenance planner screen. Okay. Just plan, given SID, what you are going to install. So okay, I'm going to install S4 HANA system. Okay, my SID will be like S4P. Okay, now I'm installing S4 HANA system. Go to install S4 HANA system. Okay, the version of S4 HANA should be 2020. Okay, no, latest version is 2020. Okay, select support package. Initial shipment, or they have released already two support packages. Okay, I'm going with initial shipment. Confirm selection. Along with this S4 HANA 2020, am I going to install any add-on? If you want to install any add-on, for example, let's take you want to install GRC or any other BW software. Okay, then these are the softwares which are going to be installed. Along with this, you can update your retriever, or you can add an add-on. Now I want to add an add-on. Let's take a GRC add-on, access control add-ons. Okay, I'll go with GRC. Okay, there is no GRC, so I'm adding SAP Fiori for my SAP GRC. Here support package is latest. Okay, I'm going with the latest package. Okay, and for Fiori there is also, okay, I'll go with the latest shipment. Okay, next. Earlier days we need to download all these softwares manually. Now the system is giving you the details, what are the softwares you required for installing S4 HANA with GRC or Fiori. So everything is automated here. You need not to bother about the softwares. You need not to read all the installation guides, what are the software requirements, hardware requirements, everything. So this maintenance planner will give you all the details. Next, so what is your operating system? My operating system is Linux operating system. Okay, confirm selection. So it will give the software related to Linux, which is suitable to Linux software. And you need to select your database. Define chain, select files, download files, complete. The steps are here to create a stock XML file by using maintenance planner. So it will fetch all the OSDB related files and ABAP files. Okay, and a spam saint update also. Okay, next. It will defaultly choose the what are the requirements. See, these are the files which are required to download your exports or language packages, everything. Okay, and your spam saint update, exe kernel files, exedb files, some latest version, some it has chosen all the required software to install host agent. Here you have download stock XML file. just download it and push to download basket. If I say push to download basket, all this file will be going to download basket. From there we need to download. That's it. So let's open the stock XML file. What we have in that stock XML file? Simple. The stock XML file contains your SID, your installation number, your host name, and all the required softwares. Yeah, this is your stock XML file. Contains SQL transaction. SAP version, transaction ID, maintenance supplement transaction, with which user ID, yes user you have created this maintenance initial shipment pack, it is okay, with software, system number, and what are the required softwares, everything will be there. Stock type, SAP notes, what are the SAP HANA 2020, you are going to install SAP HANA 2020 on premise, your installation number, everything. This is stock XML file. It is read by the installation.